Oh man, we got a road to cross. When people stop, watch this. Nobody stops. Nobody cares. It was real easy. Just slow down, Jeep. Alright, so I got my heavy duty gloves. These are on my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/Am Beowulf. I'm bringing them with. It's like mid 50s right now. There's like aerial flooding, all freshwater, intercoastal rivers, extremely flooded right now. Unbelievably flooded. High water here, or one other vehicle out. Boat. Why those people coming in, I don't know. I like riding with the Jettrim gloves more. My hands get cold. I'll just throw them back. Throw on the other ones. Get in there. Get in the hole. So if you've seen the last video I was out here, it's about what? Almost a foot. It was high water last time. It's about a foot lower than it was before. Oh yeah, I'll tell you, these gloves, the other ones is just like, you have no feeling. My hands are already cold. But like I said, I'll swap them out if my hands really get that bad. Right at 52.5 hours on the ski, which is unbelievable. I've had it since July of 2019. I filmed tons of videos with it. The goal is how you keep the hours low. Don't go on safaris. Ride for less than 40 minutes, which is still crazy that I ride for under 40 minutes, and if the times aren't even more than that. That's my goal. Shoot a video, go out, and the same as if you own one of these. Everybody can do what they want, but the more hours you get, there's appreciated value. Sometimes you want to keep your investment going. These things will go forever anyways, but I'm just giving a little advice here. Awesome sunset. Last time I was out here, it was probably the coolest sunset ever. But we're going to jet out in the Atlantic Ocean, and it's 9.2 feet here. You can't see. Got some pelicans right there, some seagulls coming in. But see, you'll see it's crazy. It jumps to 12.1, and then it's going to do another drop just right up ahead, which is pretty crazy. You know, I've looked at everywhere I ride, I look at maps to get an idea what stuff are. But until you go out there and then the tide changes, flooding, drought, everything changes up. But let's let this thing warm up. Now we're about a foot lesser than what we were just a couple of feet back. There's all these little, I don't know if the camera could pick it up, buoys. I think they're crab pots. That was out here last time I was here. I don't follow that. I don't fish, or, you know. Look at that pelican swooping in. Just look at dinosaur. Look at that. Whoosh. So cool. Yeah, look at this. Now we're at 9 feet. So and this is the center. Now think of when it's low. How crucial these big boats that come through here, what they have to worry about. It's pretty wild. All right, so we're out of this no wake zone. Enough chitty chatter. Let's get this video rolling, guys. Let's rock and roll. Trim all the way up.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball days. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Had less impressions. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive. And I'm barely moving, but I'm stuck on boosting. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing. So I win the winners and they go with losers. Guess I had to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, buck a tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Rolling plot, we'll get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps.
So that was fun. Barely used any fuel too. Oh, but my hands are ice. Whew. Definitely, when you have gloves like these, there's a lot more control. You have more control. The other gloves are real thick, so like throttle control and whatnot. It's a lot easier, but man, my feet are cold. Wetsuit's keeping me warm, my hands are cold. It was a blast. The hard thing is when you're hitting some of those waves coming, I think I felt it more coming back than going out, is you have to jump them in a pattern. And you can't, I never try to get as much air as you can because I don't want to damage the hull or anything with the engine and whatnot. What the heck is this person doing? He is like, holy cow, what is this person doing? Look how close to shore they are. What is he doing? But, so there's patterns. So on the way back, you literally have to have so much throttle control as to get ready for the next wave, and the patterns of the waves, change. Some are really quick, so you're just like, boom, boom, boom. So your fingers is constantly moving. The times I've been out here, when you're in the, wearing the other gloves, they'll really keep your hands warm. The throttle control it's just a lot harder. Trigger control, I guess you could say. Yeah, it was a blast out there. Definitely got super, 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 super wet. It's crazy sometimes to come out there too. Like sometimes you barely get that wet when there's waves. Those waves are just the ones like I went pretty farther. When you go in the direction of the waves are heading, it's not as bad. When you're heading back in, it's just going to take so much longer. I don't even think I was going sometimes under 20 miles per hour, and you couldn't go any faster if you wanted to. That's crazy too. There's been nobody here. Barely anybody here. And I don't even know where these people with the kayaks. The last couple times coming here, it's like, and it's been nice weather too, and nobody's coming here, which is shocking because with how flooded it is, you'd figure there'd be more people coming out here that want to go. Maybe some people, I guess it would be worse when you're in a boat getting wet than wearing a wetsuit. That's funny, two things that somebody said before. What is this person doing? Funny, two things that happened. I should have said in the beginning of the video. So I did hear one guy goes to me and goes, "Is this thing supercharged?" And I'm like, why wouldn't it be, right? And he goes, "Well, I just saw you put the sticker on just to say it." I'm like, who the heck? I go to him and go, who the heck would do something like that? That's kind of a weird thing to say. And he goes, well, people would do that, and it's like, I've never seen it. And then another guy saw me bringing in the ski, or bringing it up the ramp, and he goes to me, "Oh, this must be hard doing it by yourself." I'm thinking, like, who the heck needs help putting a jet ski in the water? It's definitely, you don't need more than one person doing that. If it is, then you need more practice. Why would you need what? So the other person helps you and then they stay in short? That makes no sense. It's not a boat, even a small boat. When I had my supercharged cedar boat, Sponsons 150, I launched that thing all the time by myself. Piece of cake. And that's a 16, 18 foot boat. Now if you're out here with some of these big boats going by yourself, yeah, that would be really hard. Jet ski, this is easy peasy. Go to the guy and I said, I do it all the time. And it should be the model one-man army. Probably what I should send him. I said, I'm the one-man army. But I tell you, if you fell off, you didn't have the right gloves on, it'd be a big pain getting back in. Same with your feet. My hands are super cold. Probably the coldest part of my body. Gloves, hands, boots, feet. That was refreshing. Definitely though, the temperature dropped quick. It was almost about 70 today. Probably about 55 when I went out. Feels a little bit colder. You can feel the cold air coming through the helmet. Spraying a Rain-X on my goggles and on the GoPro. Quit from fogging. Hopefully the GoPro didn't fog. It's nicer when you got these gloves on than these wiping the lens, because this is really rough gripping material right there on the tip. It's kind of like this. I wipe the back part of my hand, but it helps clean the lens off. Because sometimes you get out there getting sprayed, man. It gets covered real quick. The crazy thing here is usually this is really packed with people. And just in general, there just doesn't seem in Myrtle's Inlet a lot of people here anymore. Usually it's always packed. Like all these restaurants and stuff. It's been, I think after the holidays, after December, it's been a real decline in the last 2 months coming here. Just in general, it's like, usually it's crazy traffic, always a big wait coming here. And the last couple of times it's been really nice. I'm hoping to take the stand-up up tomorrow, give or take what the temperature is like. The hard thing with that is your feet get wet, and then you gotta stand to balance yourself. That's why it's gonna be hard to decide what boots to wear. It's supposed to be a little higher, 70s, but then the temperature can drastically change. Being the coastline, you could say it's one temperature and you get here, it'll be a whole nother temperature as you pack. That's why I brought both gloves with. Prefer riding with these gloves. Not even my Jet, got a bunch of Jettrim gloves, but when it's really cold, you want to be toasty, these. I'm pretty brisk. Pretty brisk. I got these new Am Beowulf sweatpants coming out. I think for like the gym, especially after riding like this, you go get all this wet clothes, put on some nice dry stuff. That should be coming out soon. Some new merch. I got a bunch of new stuff coming out. There's a bunch of stuff being discontinued and on sale on imbeowulf.com. Check it out while supplies last. With that, all the RXPX, RXTX 300 Sea-Doo merch is being discontinued, so it's really marked down. Really marked down. So make sure you pick that up, because as soon as it's gone, it's gone. I know somebody was interested in one of my sweatshirts. Said, when's it up on the website? I'm like, it's all sold out. Can't snooze on this stuff. Can't snooze. It's like when you go to the store. You go to the store one time, see something next time, you go, it's gone, man. You can't be sleeping on it. Got the Sea-Doo plate still on this sucker. It's funny because it's like you can't tell the two of the Crown Vics when I go up, but I got two kind of matching. Two are different years, both same real white. I want to do some custom stuff for this. I'm not sure if I want to keep them white, do one a different color, maybe one black. I don't know. This was a Charleston, South Carolina police car. You can tell where it's cut out there, and I'll probably move those out. I got some ones that I can, because that's cut out where the badge used to be. I got some ones that I can sand down and paint them black. That's on my list of things to do. Yeah, both are really nice. This is my high mileage one. This thing runs like a champ. Alright. I'll show you guys real quick. I'll get out of all this stuff. It's gonna be nice seeing how this wet clothes. Worst part is when you start taking off the layers. Now check this out. Now I got two different ones I got coming out. I like how these things want. So that's the Beowulf logo, same as my tattoo. So it's down the whole pant leg. These things are nice too, is they're tight at the bottom, so you can wear them as pants, sweatpants, or you can roll them up and they can become shorts. Really nice polyester material too. And yeah, that looks so dope. It looks so cool. And yeah, that's some new stuff coming out soon. It's not up yet. but those are all like testers, but I got them testing out. Also got a towel coming out. Blanket looks pretty cool. There's a bunch of stuff. I'm always keeping myself so busy with stuff. It's not even funny. Always up to something new. The towel, it's super dope. I've been waiting to find a towel for a while, and yeah, I'm so excited about the towel. I'm so excited. Well, if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. Like I say, you get notified as soon as the next video is uploaded. Check out my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/Am Beowulf. Check out the Am Beowulf merch at ambeowulf.com. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Respect the ocean, lakes, rivers, every type of water all around this planet. Be mighty and stay strong.